Okay, here is the layout for the master bedroom cabinet. I need to get over there and verify where it's going to go, but it's 72 wide and almost 24 deep. Looking at the sketch, you don't have a depth here other than to the casing, so I'll have to look that up and see what that is. And then the case is 45 high. I don't know how exact that needs to be, and then 72 wide. And these are all drawers that pull out, and then that tray, there's 3 trays that lay in there. 12 inches tall, 24 wide, 6 inches tall. So figuring that these top drawers are the most critical, if we are measuring, this is the bottom of the drawer to the top of the drawer is 2 inches. This one is a little bit, no, that one too is 2 inches. Oh, okay, so all these drawer boxes are 2 inches, but the difference is there's a little bit of variance in the drawer front. You can see this one is about a 1/4 inch taller than that one, and same here. The reason being is the top of the cabinet is taking up space. If that's the drawer front from here to here, that's the top of the cabinet, which is pushing into this drawer box. So all the drawer boxes are 2 inches deep per that tray, but the drawer fronts are they're all the same width, but you can somewhat see that the scale of that. This middle one's just a little bit shorter. I don't think that's going to be a deal breaker. But if we are keeping all your measurements, 12, 12, 6, 6, if we're keeping all those true, then this cabinet, this base cabinet is 36.5 tall. Toe kick, it's 4 inches tall. And then this top cabinet, to get those 2-inch tall drawers on the inside for the trays, is an additional 12.5 inches, which puts the top of that at 53. Let me double check that. So 12.5 for this upper section, because you have it sketched up as 333, but we can't do that if we're going to keep a 2-inch drawer. There's just not enough room inside for the drawer box. So 12.5. Yep, 53 inches. So if we need to stay at 45, and then your 4-inch toe kick, which I'm assuming is 49 tall overall, you need to take 4 inches off of that. These can't get any smaller because of the trays. So we need to take the height out of this cabinet, because there's 2 cabinets here, just because of the weight of this thing. There's this base cabinet, and then the upper cabinet with all the drawers. So that's what we've got. Let me know if that works. Thank you.